Morning, John. Water attack, solo boss. Here we are, got Archie. Archie's the boss. What are we doing today, Archie?
Cleaning a pathway, but near a river.
Near a river?
Yeah.
Cleaning all the flooded area and stuff off?
Yeah.
And you're gonna play on the park?
Yep, and my pants are wet too.
Your pants are wet too.
Because I slipped over.
You slipped over in the thing. So all this area, as you can see, the river behind me was all flooded. So all this area that we were sitting under yesterday was all flooded. The toilet was flooded. The barbecue area over there was all flooded. So we're just going to do a quick clean off today, clean off the pathways and just get it all tidied up. We'll go for a quick walk around and just have a look before we start cleaning. So where the car was sitting, the water level was over my tyres, right across there, right up to the bitumen up the top there. That's how high the water was. So you can just imagine it running through here. Then this is a little creek, pushed a little log out there. Only a baby one at the moment, but she was roaring right up over the top of here, right up about that high up on that tree, coming straight across into here, into the fence on the other side there. Might do a quick walk down to the bridge, and then we'll do some cleaning. Archie's just going to play on the playground all day. So this toilet block was underwater, so I'm just going to rinse that out, get that tidied up. This footpath is all dirty, so we're going to clean all that out as well. Get that all done. Maybe give the toilets a bit of a rinse. We'll walk down to the toilet. So, as you can see, the river has gone down quite a lot over the last hour or so. You couldn't see that grass there half an hour ago, so it's moving down a fair bit. Somebody lost some tents and stuff from yesterday. See how low it is now. It'll just keep dropping over the next hour or two, and that'll probably be just a little stream, not so long. All these trees and stuff just snapped off under the weight of the water. Was it a big flood, buddy? Yeah. It was? How deep was the water here before?
From yesterday, it was all the way up to the bridge.
All the way up to the bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even it was like flooded over there.
Yeah, there's another little park over there. All the trees and stuff are all over the seats and stuff. We might try and get over there as well.
Yeah.
Alright, this way. Alright, we're just gonna do some cleaning. We're gonna clean off all this concrete, give everything a nice wash down so it's all nice and clean. And then that's less for the council to do with the flood cleanup. Just something that I can do to help out. So that's what we're going to do today. Enjoy. big fella. Look at him, he just come out of the toilet. Yeah, big fella. Put my foot near him. Yeah, big boy, that one. This is why we hire professionals to do our cleaning, because they don't know what they're doing, do they? Mr. Archer, are you cleaning? You trying to get it going again? You gotta squeeze the trigger. What'd you do? Hang on, I'll get you. Oh, it's got it! Okay, John from Solo Boss, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for the love. Catch you later. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Got a lot of people walking around, so just turning up a lot of things. And the pathway over there, nice and all clean.